Hello and welcome to AMR Lifestyle, the winning game to look great, feel great, and win big in life. Our channel focuses on creating valuable content to those who wish to improve their game, finances, and overall lifestyle. Our weekly video will engage you in super valuable content and will improve your thinking and attitude towards work, life, and style. For those of you subscribed to our channel, we will offer a complimentary fitting and clothing consultation at our locations in Boston, either AMR or One Federal, or Custom Colors on 9 Water Street.
Today we're going to discuss a very important topic regarding the five industries that will become the most important in 2020, and essentially they will take over in the future. The first one is gaming. Gaming is estimated approximately at $140 billion industry, and by the year 2025 the projections are to double, so there will be approximately $300 billion. That is an insane amount of money and an incredible growth just in 5 years. Imagine. And who would have thought? It's also estimated there are approximately 2.5 billion gamers worldwide at this point, and it's a fact that it's the entertainment in general. It's taking over in a sense that most people prefer spending their time playing games or watching YouTube and other means, other type of social media, rather than watching sports or watching movies as well. It's something that it's absolutely mind staggering what is going on in this industry. And in terms of other projections, it is estimated that for 2020 alone there will be $150 billion. So there will be already an increase of about 10 billion, which is still a mind-blowing number. Another industry that will absolutely be taking over this year and the following years, it's automation and robots. And obviously this one is an expected one. It has been happening already, especially in fields where boring jobs were still at large, such as data entry and other positions that could completely be replaced by the robots. It is also a known fact that even the retail industry will be seeing more robots at work. Most jobs that are essentially boring and mindless can actually be better performed by robots. So over the next 5 to 10 years we will be seeing an incredible change in this arena, and if you are stuck in one of those jobs, you might absolutely want to consider moving on. And if you're thinking about an industry that you might want to consider entering, robotics is certainly one that we would recommend. Another industry that it's absolutely booming in 2020 and forward is entertainment. People have a lot more time available, first of all, and the best way they love to spend their time is through streaming. For instance, streaming has been an industry that is taking over more and more and more. And then also think about Pandora or other music subscriptions. I mean, most of the music revenue today, it's absolutely related to streaming and subscription. Other entertainment that is very popular, obviously, as you may know, it's this exact channel that we're here. It's YouTube. YouTube and Netflix are taking over more and more, and more than the traditional way of entertainment. Like TV, for instance, is not. It's still used, but primarily Roku or other means are taking over in that sense, and the traditional TV it's definitely suffering compared to, and they have a lot to think about in terms of keeping up with the competition. Netflix, as you all know, has pretty much taken over, and so has YouTube. Another very interesting booming industry in this coming year, it's probably going to be the streaming real life. If you think about it, with the 5G technology coming up and IRL, there will be more and more people posting their personal life on social media. In fact, when you think about, this is the reality, less and less people are watching traditional TV and traditional movies, and the streaming live, it's very engaging. And in fact, social media up to this point, if you're beginning, and the reason why, if you ever wonder why Facebook took off at the level in which it did, it's because of the need for social media. People are just super addicted to it. Now imagine when this will go to the next level, and that might be the keystone. This might be the industry that you might want to jump in, because streaming is going to become huge, and you will start seeing a tremendous amount of celebrities, of new celebrities. When you think about just 10 years ago, when you thought of Kim Kardashian, for instance, you would say to yourself, well, how come this person all of a sudden it's a star? What has she ever done to be nominated as a star like Angelina Jolie would? She worked very hard to become a star, right, as an actress, and then all of a sudden this Kim Kardashian comes along, and with the sex tape, and then boom, she's big. And that was just the beginning. Right now, most of the stars out there are not necessarily film actors. They're just regular people that stream their life, or they play games, and that is the reality of the industry. So that's something to absolutely take into consideration. And if you're thinking of an industry to jump in, you might want to consider that. Another industry that has been growing over the last 50 years in reality, if you just think about the number of travelers around the world compared to 50 years ago, it's quadrupled, and but more and more than ever, because access to finances and more time and work mobility, as well as the need for experience. I think people are much more involved in wanting to experience rather than spending money in any other entertainment. So in fact, what they're finding out that is, for instance, think about Airbnb. Airbnb has been again another milestone in the travel industry, and again, given by the globalization and internet and the online experience. So traveling, for sure, it's another industry that is booming, and there's going to be a lot of opportunities to create and to think about building something around this other industry. So in fact, this video, it's about those 5 industries are the ones that you might want to think about coming up with a great idea that you can add value, and most likely you can create a successful business for yourself. And these are the industries that are the current trends, essentially, and it seems that it's going to be a tremendous growth in those industries. And if you think about it, they have everything to do with technology and the advancement of technology, the 5G, and the real life experiences, and posting real life, and pretty much the effect of Facebook. Facebook, again, is just the beginning of the future our livelihood. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. But most importantly, we hope that it will contribute to your personal improvement towards your creative thinking and attitude and your overall lifestyle. Once again, for those of you who subscribe to our channel, we will offer a complimentary fitting and clothing consultation at our locations in Boston, either at AMR on 1 Federal Street or Cuffs and Collars on 9 Water Street. Please also check out our website, AntoineRubini.com or CuffsandCollars.com, to set up appointments for custom clothing and style consultation, or to find out about our latest collections available in stores and online. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to see you soon.